Hi, I'm Anmol Verma. I'm working as a software engineer in Samsung Research Institute, Bangalore.
Anmol, briefly describe the company in your own words.
Samsung is a Korean multinational conglomerate which is most visible in the field of electronics, but is also there in finance, consulting, construction, many other things which we might even not have heard of in India. I work at Samsung Research Institute, Bangalore, which is the Samsung's second largest R&D center in the world.
How is Samsung actually better than its competitors?
Although we don't believe in facts and figures, but here I would like to quote some of the figures. So, market share of Samsung in mobile phones is 35% globally. DRAM and NAND flash it's around 40% globally. You'll be surprised to know that in OLEDs, active matrix OLEDs, our market share is 97% in the world. Also, one more amazing fact is our clients are not just the consumers. Some of the biggest companies in the world like Sony, Apple, Dell, HP, Qualcomm, these are all our clients also. So basically, if Samsung does not exist, they can't exist in some of these. For example, iPhone has Samsung's application processors. Application processors is one of the main things without which phone can't even run.
So, Anmol, tell us about some of the technologies that a tech giant of the world like Samsung is working on.
Samsung is a very diverse company. You name any technology in the field of computer science or electronics, we are there amongst the market leaders in that technology. I would like to tell you about some technologies which comes on top of my mind. For example, we are working on big data, IoT, data mining, machine learning, then frameworks like C Sharp, WPF, networking is there, multimedia is there, Android is there, Tizen, which is Samsung's own operating system. We call it the OS of everything. It is there. There are a lot of things like designing is there. Samsung's own designers are there in India office. There are a lot of things.
Can you tell us about what all there is outside of work at Samsung?
Outside of work, we go on trips. For example, this year in my 6 month period, we went to a place, LM Resorts, which is on the Mysore Road, and then Value Lanes. We stayed in tents there, by the way. It was great. Apart from this, I got two opportunities to travel to campus for recruitments, hackathons, and experience zones. Then we have social activities where we go and do some social work, for example, blood donation, then give something to orphanages and stuff like that. Third thing which is there in Samsung is annual day. So we have Samsung annual day where celebrities come on one day and they perform and we just enjoy the performances. For the campus freshers who got recruited in the year, there's a campus fresher also. So freshers is thrown for the Samsung freshers there.
Are there ways in which students in colleges can interact with Samsung?
Yes, we have a dedicated program called Samsung Campus Interface Program, which is basically meant to, have some sort of collaboration with the top colleges in India. So Samsung does not go to every college. We have a set of 18 colleges where we go and collaborate with students, have interaction with them. Also, we have hackathon kind of events which we call as appathon. So students go there. It's a theme-based app development contest. Say this year's theme is AR VR. So people develop apps based on augmented reality and virtual reality. Then there are experience zone where we demonstrate and show them the latest gadgets which are there. For example, the coolest thing there is Samsung Gear VR, which is the virtual reality Gear VR. So you might have seen Mark Zuckerberg sharing some Oculus video. It's that Gear VR which is developed in Samsung India's office basically. The hardware is from Oculus, the software is from India's multimedia team. So this is how we collaborate with students. We show them various things which we are working.
Give us an idea of the work culture and work environment at Samsung.
So far, my experience in terms of work culture has been really good. There's a policy of 9 hours which we have to follow. We have to clock 9 hours per day. But the positive side of this is we don't have to work from home. Nobody will call you at home and ask you to do certain piece of work. Nobody will ask you to work on, say, a certain piece of software or anything at home on a weekend, on a lazy Sunday afternoon when you want to sleep. So you don't have to do that. Secondly, there's a common misconception among people that Samsung has a lot of work pressure. To be really honest, it's not true. The thing is, when you work on a project, when the release is there, that is the time when the work pressure is there, and it has to be there because you can't even have a single bug in your software. Otherwise, you can't be the best company in the world, which Samsung is kind of like the best company in the world in terms of electronic products. Would like to add that we call ourselves ethically aggressive company. So yeah, we have to be aggressive if we have to be the market leader in something. Next thing about the team environment, honestly, it depends from manager to manager. It's just like your college basically. We have 5,000 people studying in your college. Suddenly, we have 5,000 employees working in Samsung Bangalore office. So you can relate it with your project teams which you have in college. So you have a team of say 5 members in college project. You may like certain members, you may not like certain members. It's the same here. It depends from person to person. My team is really good. I love working with all the people in my group, and they are really cooperative and friendly. So yeah, work culture, it's good for me. Now coming to the work environment. So there are lots and lots of facilities. I don't think I even have time to talk about that. I'll list out a few of them. So we get free food, and free food does not mean a free mess kind of meal. Free food includes Baskin Robbins ice cream, CCD coffee, CCD samosa if you want to say, which costs around 40 outside. I think I am not sure. Then we have the Korean food tuck shops. Then we have the meals also are there, which is both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Then we have a music room where you go and just jam. We have a space theme which is kind of like a dark room, which is based on space theme, and you could just go there and relax. Then we have a Korean theme-based pantries there. Then we have foosball, gym is there, which is again free. Then air hockey is there, table tennis is there, carom, chess. We have a badminton team, cricket team, football team. It's like you name anything in college or any good place, and we have that facility available in the office. So work environment is really